So today we're talking about practical Christianity. So it's one thing to hear a principle, and it's another thing to go, how do I do that? How do I put that to work in my daily life? Sometimes it seems like it isn't easy, especially when we look around the world and we see it's falling apart. It's madness, it's chaos, it's negativity. It could be all of those things when we look at those externals. So how do we become responsive, not reactive, to the difficulties of life, those in our lives and in the lives of others? It's an important distinction today that will help us all in our spiritual journey about being responsive, not reactive. So back to practical Christianity. We believe in trying to follow Jesus. In Unity, we take the Bible seriously, but not literally. We usually look at the Bible in a metaphorical, mystical, metaphysical way. Jesus didn't say, worship me. He didn't go around saying, I'm God, you got to worship me. Even when his body was dying on the cross, he was focused on showing love to those who were beside him. He was focused on saying, today you will be with me in paradise, showing that there was spiritual life beyond the body. He recognized it. He was sharing it with them. So we focus on following that example of Jesus.